So how to disable 120 hertz promotion or change a refresh rate on your iPhone. This is my iPhone 15 Pro. So all of you need to go your setting and go to your accessibility, press on accessibility, and then you can see the motion option. You have to press on motion option and go down and limit frame rate. So if you enable it and go down, so you can see the different actually, and enable it again, disable, and so only lazy eye or eye problem people can see this different. So this is how you can easily disable and enable 120 hertz promotion on your iPhone device. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.